So in this class we will be discussing about some theorems, starting with the theorem number 10.3, that is this one. I'll just increase the size so you will be able to see. The perpendicular from the center, okay, this is the theorem we are having. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. This is our theorem, theorem 10.3. okay. So what is the meaning of the theorem and what we are going to do? See, we are given with a circle, okay, this is the circle we are given with. Then it is saying the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord. So we are given with a chord also. So I will be taking this chord, okay. So I am naming it A, B, and then from the center here we are drawing a perpendicular on the chord. इस chord के ऊपर हम एक perpendicular draw कर रहे हैं, okay, like this. I am drawing a perpendicular from the center, okay, this one. So I will be taking this perpendicular. Now the question is, see, the given statement in this theorem we will be taking is that this O, and you can name this as M or anything. So this OM is perpendicular to AB. OM and AB are perpendicular. This is the thing given. Then to prove is that it bisect the chord. It bisect the chord means this AM part and this MB part we have to, okay. So this AM and MB, AM is equal to MB. This is what we have to prove, okay. So I will be starting with the proof part, but before that proof part I will be doing a little bit of construction. हाँ, मैं थोड़ी सी construction करूँगा उससे पहले. So what construction I will be doing? I will draw these two radius from O to A. This is one radius I will be drawing, and the second one from is this to B. Okay. Now see, I am having two triangles. अब मेरे पास दो triangles बन जाएंगे. So I will be joining construction में मैंने क्या किया है? I have joined OA and OB. ये मैंने join कर दिया. So I will be starting with the proof part now. In the proof part, see, we are having two triangles there, triangle AOM and triangle BOM. So in triangle AOM and triangle BOM, these are the two triangles I am having, AOM and BOM, okay. So in this triangle AOM and BOM, just see one thing, this angle 1 and this angle 2, are they equal? Yes, each 90. Angle
yes,
1
sir, 90 degree.
Angle 2 each 90, दोनों 90 degree हैं. So we can write this thing. Then this OA and OB are equal. OA equal to OB. Why? Both are radius, और radius एक circle के अंदर equal ही होते हैं. Both are radii. Then the third thing I will be taking is this OM equal to OM. Why? Because it is common, दोनों में common है वो, okay. This blue line you can see OM. So therefore triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM by using RHS property, right angle, hypotenuse and side. And if these two triangles are congruent, अगर ये दोनों triangle congruent है, I can easily write that AM is equal to BM by using CPCT, and this is what we have to prove. See, if you know everything about congruence, then there is no problem in proving these kind of things. See the statement again. If you will look at the statement, the perpendicular from the center of a circle, perpendicular, see this OM, this is the perpendicular from the center of the circle. Circle के center से एक perpendicular हमने draw किया. On which thing we are drawing this perpendicular? On a chord. एक chord के ऊपर draw किया है, and it is bisecting the chord. ये इसको chord को bisect करता है. So whenever you will be drawing a perpendicular from the center to a chord, it will bisect the chord. So this is our theorem 10.3 that you have to remember. Okay, so let's see our next theorem, that is 10.4. See, all the theorems are very important, so never leave any one. एक को भी नहीं छोड़ना है. Okay, so let's see this one, what is there. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Okay, now this one is just the opposite case of the last theorem. जो 10.3 theorem हमने की थी, 10.4 is the opposite one of that one. So what we are having in this theorem is, again we are having a circle, एक circle हमारे पास है, ठीक है. In this circle what we are given, that a chord, एक chord हम लोगों को दी हुई है already. So I will be taking this chord here. So this one. Then from the center a line is drawn. Okay, from the center of the circle a line is drawn that is bisecting the chord. This time it is given. This time it is given that the line drawn from the center is bisecting the chord. So that means in the given statement you will take some points like this one as O, A, B, and this one you can take as M. So what you are given with, you are given that AM and BM are equal. AM and BM are equal. AM is equal to BM. This is given. See, हमने last question में ये चीज़ prove की थी 10.3 में. Now to prove, क्या prove करना है हम लोगों को? We have to prove that OM is perpendicular to, OM जो है वो perpendicular है over this AB. ये OM यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाएगा, तो ये हमें प्रूव करना है. सो अगेन आई विल बी डूइंग सम कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट इन इट. मैं थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट इसमें करूँगा, बट आई विल बी टेकिंग, आई विल जॉइन दिस O to A and also I will join this O to B. Okay, so you will be writing again the construction part, join OA and OB. OA और OB को join करना है. So now we will be doing the proof. अब proof करते हैं. So in the proof section again I will be taking these two triangles only. मैं दोनों triangles को लेता हूँ. In triangle AOM and triangle BOM, दोनों triangles को फिर से congruent करेंगे. So if I am having triangle AOM and triangle BOM, AO and OB are equal. AO equal to OB. What region you will be writing? These are radii. Okay, then AM and BM are equal. See, this side AM and this side BM are equal. AM is equal to given. BM. Yes, it is given. Okay, then the third thing you will be writing OM equal to OM. Why? Because it is common. दोनों में common है वो.
Common.
Okay, so that means what? Therefore, you can write triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM by using what? SSS. Okay, SSS property हमने use किया and these are congruent. Now just see, if these two triangles are congruent, can I write one thing that this angle 1 and this angle 2 are equal? क्या मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ angle 1 equal to angle 2 by using simplicity? Okay, so we are using, yes. And the sum of angle 1 and 2, the sum of angle 1 plus angle 2 is how much? It is 180. Why it is 180? Because they are forming a linear pair. They are forming linear pair, LP. I am writing. Now angle 1 and 2 are equal. देखो दोनों angle equal हैं and I am having angle 1 plus 2 equal to 180. So in place of 2, if I will be putting angle 1, that means 2 times angle 1 will be equal to 180. Okay, 2 times. Why 2 times? Because 1 and 2 are equal. So that's why I am taking 2 times angle 1. So 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, so it will be angle 1 equal to 90 degree. Angle 1 हमारा कितना आ गया है? 90. Now if see, if angle 1 is 90, देखो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? That means OM is perpendicular over AB. So therefore you can write OM is perpendicular to AB. That is the end thing you can write, and that's all you have to do in this theorem. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. We have proved that if a line is bisecting the chord drawn from the center, that means it is perpendicular. So these two theorems we have done, 10.3, 10.4. You have to understand this one and you have to use them in questions also.